Okay, so here is a solution for page 478, number 2a. We're given two equations and we are told to verify that the plane and the line are parallel and then determine if they are distinct or coincident. So when I look at this, I'm given one equation that is in scalar form, and so from this equation, I'll go right here, I'm able to find the normal. So the normal is 3, 5, 1. I'm taking these coefficients. And from the second equation, the equation of this line, I'm able to find a direction vector. So that direction vector is right here, the 2, -1, -1. Now, if we think about what this means, a normal is a vector that is perpendicular to something. So if I have the direction vector and I have the normal, I know already that they should be perpendicular. So if the equation of this plane is parallel to this line, then the normal and the direction vector should have a dot product of 0. So to verify that they're parallel, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to check this dot product. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 5 times -1, which is -5, plus 1 times -1, which is -1. So that dot product is 0. So this confirms, I'll just make that a little bit smaller, this confirms that the line and the plane are parallel. The next thing that I have to do is determine if they're distinct or coincident. So this is pretty easy to do. I'm given a point on this line. If that point satisfies the equation of the plane, then I know that that point is also on the plane, meaning that they're coincident. It can't be on the plane and have it be distinct. So I'm going to set up a left side, right side. So the left side is 3x plus 5y plus z, and the right side is 0. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in that point 1 to -8. So 3 times 1 plus 5 times 2 plus -8. 3 plus 10. I'm missing part of this equation. I'm sorry, there's a -5 in this original equation. Subtract 8, subtract 5. So 13, subtract 8, subtract 5, 0. So since my left side and my right side are the same, I know that that point 1 to -8 is on the equation of the plane. And so I know that these are coincident.